Rumors are swirling across the sneaker community as talks of a Nike Page 1 comeback continue to gain momentum. Nearly a decade after its 2017 debut, the iconic model, once praised for its elite lockdown, strong traction, and value-driven performance, is reportedly set for a long-awaited retro return. With Nike discontinuing Paul George's signature line after 6 successful releases, fans have been questioning why such a reliable series suddenly ended. What makes this possible retro even more intriguing is the PG-1's unique blend of modern classic design paired with older Nike tech like Phylon cushioning, a feature rarely seen in today's basketball lineup. Despite the outdated tech, hoopers still consider the PG line a legendary performer. While Nike has yet to confirm release dates or colorways, excitement is already building. Sneaker fans everywhere are watching closely, hoping the Nike Page 1 Retro finally becomes reality.